Welcome back to another video. We are going to install Screencast keys. So if I press N on the side panel, we're going to see the toolbar over here. And everything that I will select and press will be listed over here. For example, we see a left click, we see a middle mouse button and a right click. Now, in order to have Screencast keys installed in Blender, I'm going to go within the newer version, which is Blender 4.3.0. And over here by default, if I press N, we're going to see that Screencast keys is not available on the side panel. So I will go to Edit, Preferences. Over here, we will go to Get Extension. You will have to allow Blender to access the web over here. And if I will search over here for Screencast, we're going to see it appear. We see the extension website, will be extensions.blender.organization over here, so I will click install. We see the installing path, and afterwards it will appear over here. So all we have to do is enable it, and we can also change the mouse size, also the font size, because now if I will press, for example, S for scale, we're gonna see how small that will be. You can also adjust the alignment and other changes over here. The display time, also the maximum event history, but overall these are the default settings. Most you will need to increase the mouse size and the font size regarding on the resolution of your screen. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I will position a similar video on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.